11 essential exercises to maintain your fitness and health after the age of 40. Strengthen your strength and flexibility. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new. 1. Walking exercise. Improving heart health, enhances blood circulation, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Strengthening joints. Helps strengthen joints without putting excessive pressure on them. Improving psychological state. Reduces stress and anxiety and improves mood. 2. Squat exercise. Strengthening leg and thigh muscles. Strengthens leg and thigh muscles, which helps improve mobility. Improving balance and stability. Contributes to enhancing balance and improves body stability. Strengthening buttock muscles. Improves the shape and strength of the buttock muscles. 3. Stretching exercises. Increasing flexibility. Enhancing body flexibility and facilitating movement. Relieving muscle tension. Relaxes muscles and reduces muscle tension. Improving blood circulation. Enhances blood flow to muscles and joints. 4. Push-ups. Strengthening the chest and arm muscles. Strengthens the upper body muscles, including the chest, shoulders, and arms. Improving balance. Enhances the body's ability to balance and control its position. Increasing core strength. Involves the abdominal and lower back muscles in stabilizing the body. 5. Bridge exercise. Strengthening the lower back and buttocks muscles. Helps strengthen the major muscles in the back and buttocks area. Improving body stability. Contributes to improving stability and balance. Reducing lower back pain. Strengthens the lower back muscles and reduces pain resulting from weakness in this area. 6. Lateral arm raise exercise. Strengthening the shoulder muscles. Strengthens the shoulder and upper arm muscles. Improving movement and flexibility. Helps improve the flexibility of the shoulder joint. Preventing injuries. Reduces the risk of shoulder and arm problems due to muscle weakness. 7. Running in place exercise. Improving cardiovascular fitness. Promotes heart health by increasing the heart rate. Strengthening the legs. Strengthens the leg muscles and improves their endurance. Burning calories. Helps get rid of excess body fat. 8. Plank exercise. Strengthening the abdominal and core muscles. It is one of the best exercises to strengthen the abdominal muscles, core, and lower back. Improving balance. It improves balance by stabilizing the body. Enhancing overall body strength. It contributes to enhancing the strength of the body as a whole and increasing muscle endurance. 9. Grinding exercise. Strengthening the abdominal muscles. It mainly helps to strengthen the abdominal muscles. Improving posture. It helps to improve the body's posture and reduces back problems resulting from weak abdominal muscles. Burning fat. It contributes to burning fat in the abdominal area in particular. 10. Leg stretching exercise. Increasing leg flexibility. It improves the flexibility of the muscles and tendons in the legs. Reducing stress. It helps to relieve muscle tension after exercise or a long period of sitting. Improving blood circulation. It enhances blood flow to the legs and reduces stiffness. 11. One-leg balance exercise. Improving balance. It enhances balance and the ability to move confidently. Leg strengthening. It helps strengthen the leg muscles, especially the small muscles that control balance. Fall prevention. It reduces the risk of falling by improving body control. These exercises enhance physical fitness, strengthen muscles, and improve heart and joint health, making them ideal for those over 40